Hello guys and welcome back to Almost Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the Epic Games Launcher unsupported graphic cards issue for Windows 10/11. So to get started, the first thing you guys can do is simply right click on the Epic Games Launcher icon and you're going to head to Properties, and then from Properties you're going to go to Target, and what you're going to do is you're basically going to add a space. You're going to go to the end of the .exe comma whatever, you're going to go to the end, you're going to make sure you add a space, you're going to add a dash, capital O P E N G L, capital GL. Now once you basically add this, you can simply hit apply and then simply hit OK. Now once that is done, you're going to right click on Epic Games Launcher again. You're going to go to the compatibility tab. You're going to make sure the run this program as administrator box is checked and the run this program in compatibility mode. Now once both of these are checked, you can hit apply and then you can hit OK. And once again, you're going to right click on Epic Games Launcher and you're going to simply hit run as administrator. Now once you hit run as administrator, you're going to click yes, which after like whatever comes after that, and you're going to basically start up the game this way. Now once you do all of these things, the error code should be fixed and you should be able to enjoy Epic Games Launcher with no problems whatsoever. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.